from IPython import display and I don't know why documentation is always so weird. All right, let's do. So we're getting close to finishing this today, but our code is not clean. Our code is not clean, right? Everything is all in one.
Simple, B. It says wrap it up. Wrap that shit up, B.
Everything is all in one spot, and I do not like it like that. But the key thing is getting it to work first. The most important thing is getting it to work first, right? So from oops, that's not IPython display. Is that what it's called? Or is it IPython? IPython. Okay, so from IPython, import display and markdown, or is it caps? I think it might be caps. Markdown display, something like that. Let me run it just to make sure that that's going to work. Nope. It says cannot import name markdown from IPython. All right, so that was wrong. So let me try maybe markdown with lowercase and display with lowercase. Run that. Cannot import markdown from IPython. All right, hold your horses. Let me find a better documentation. Import from IPython. Let me see. That's not a good answer. Install IPython. IPython is a dependency for Jupyter Notebooks, so it's already installed. From from IPython. Okay, no. Oh, is it because I'm putting Python in caps? Let me see. No module named IPython. So it is a call IPython. Let's try that. So now it says I cannot find markdown. So let's try display first, right? Let's try display first. And display works. Allegedly. All right, so where's the markdown then? Let me see. Where is markdown? Let's see if we could finish. If we can finish it, if we can get this to a good point. Markdown. So it's under display. Huh. Let's see. So display, markdown. Huh. So, okay, so in that case, can we do then? And display dot markdown or not? Let's see. Okay. You know, in my attempt not to go to day one, let's go here. And what if we were to do print display dot markdown. Oops. That one. Try to run that again. Let's see what we get. Let me see. Python display has no attribute Markdown. Let's see. Capital. Let's try with the capital. So close, so close, so close. Might have it backwards though. Let me see. Object is not callable. IPython print Markdown. Let's see what we got. All right. So, okay. So from IPython display, import Markdown and display. All right. There we go. And then so the display. All right. So now we got it. That's what I remember from day one. I didn't remember the exact syntax, but if we go back up here and say from IPython, is it dot display? There we go. There we go. From IPython dot display, import Markdown and display. And we are going to say, and then we do display Markdown. All right, so we're going to say over here, display Markdown, enter. Let's see what we get. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I don't know what this none is over here, but we did it. We did it, Joe. We did it. All right, so I don't know what this none is down there though, but we got it. It's HTML job posting for a student trainee position. I don't know why it says HTML job posting. And where's the snarkiness? Where is the snarkiness? I gotta do some research into Olama. There shouldn't be a none down here though. Oh, I know what we need to do. We have to do. All right. Here's what we'll do, right? We'll clean this up. Like it's working. It is totally working, right? But we'll clean it up on Monday. Like by cleaning it up, I mean like we're going to pass in like the proper return statements and stuff like that. We're gonna make it like official. This is the draft code, right? Where we get it to work and then we're gonna clean it up. We're going to put stuff in separate methods or separate functions, pass in some variables and stuff like that. But as of now, let me just move this over to the right spot. Let me see. This would be the make a request to Olama to summarize. So this is going to be making the request to Olama to summarize. Get rid of this one and print out the response from Olama. Let's say here and set the system context. Let's say that's going to be in here. Set the user context is going to be in here. And after I made all these little code cleanups, right? We're gonna run it again just to make sure. And bada bing, bada boom, we have it here. I don't know why it says this is the HTML page. Okay, that's fair enough. But yeah, that's basically it for today. We actually have it working, and then we can just pass in different URLs. We'll take in some different URLs on Monday. If you guys have any URLs you want to share, we can do that. But that is about it for today. I mean, we did the bulk of the work. We did the bulk of the work. Everything. Let's get rid of that. Everything is here. And looking good, looking really, really good. And we did not go back and reference day one at all today. we did the necessary research on Python to do like make sure everything is working as is. And now that we have working code, we can start to refactor our code and make it a little bit more professional. You know, this like we shouldn't have a print here. We should have like a return, and that it's going to do what it does, right? So that's it for today. I'm gonna go back to full screen. And, you know, thank you guys for hanging out with me this morning as you see how my mind works and figuring this stuff out. Some people will start at the top. Like some people, let me share this real quick, right? Some people would start off with like this part over here, like in the code that we looked at on day one. I started off with this over here and I worked my way backwards. I don't think there's a right or a wrong way as long as we get to the right results, okay? So with that being said, we're going to wrap it up. Let me see. We got
scrolling through my phone, I can't find a spark. Each day feels like a bug in a broken arc. But my lines of code know me better than they do. In love with these scripts, they hold me true. Conversations fizzle, hearts feel like a chore. Bad dates come and go, but the code's always there. Lines of love in the night, pulling me from despair. These fleeting connections can't break through the strain. I'm lost in these programs, I'm coding my pain. Hopes, but the vibe feels so wrong. Wondering if I can fix what's taking too long. But while dinner gets cold, my thoughts start to race. I'd rather be debugging in my own safe space. Is it me or the code that keeps me awake? Bad days come and go, but the code's always there. Lines of love in the night, pulling me from despair. These fleeting connections can't break through the strain. I'm lost in these programs, I'm coding my pain. Hopes, but the vibe feels so wrong. Wondering if I can fix what's taking too long. But while dinner gets cold, my thoughts start to race. I'd rather be debugging in my own safe space. Is it me or the code that keeps me awake? Awake, awake. Bad days come and go, but the code's always there. Lines of love in the night, pulling me from despair. These fleeting connections can't break through the strain. I'm lost in these programs, I'm coding my pain. So I lay down my